Aloka, the only one who stayed. Asaunti tushigere, nyanyi quickly Aloka. Lungere Donika, Buddha Bada Yeheno Nababa Win, Pawin Donga, India Nangema, Tiata Thania Jal, Nyanyi Lanshap Kejavade. 3 years ago, a team of 3, including 2 Buddhist monks, started a 112-day peace walk in India. Sayamyang Maro, Kolkata li Sigma, Napuma, Debo, Pumakli Pare, Lemme Quilit Gowne Satin Drisungayabari. On the 6th day, they met a stray dog at Kolkata airport. He had a heart-shaped white mark on his forehead. Please into Shaloma, the child lambe quilly, let nyanti like back and jabby me. The chuga, nanai, donai, and the chua jaro near doya lao bear like be, language and kejavade. Alokaro, they are telling dark he's into Kulomu, like bagging it gown neither quickly pibari. Many other stray dogs followed the monks during the walk. However, most dropped out after 2 to 3 hours or 2 to 3 days. Aloka was the only dog who stayed for the entire 106-day journey. Kisin Drima Aloka ha Piana Gedalo, Garam Daikangabadide. Diana Tari Duro, Gabo Martin be Sako Gabime, Duga, Consin Biro, Jehanori to Lancer Shapkevare. Aloka got sick and was even hit by a car during the journey. Although injured, he refused to ride in a truck, jump out to keep walking. သူရဲ့ပြင်းပြတဲ့စိတ်ဓာတ်နဲ့ဝရိယကိုကြည့်ပြီးယဟန်တော်တွေဟာအားတက်ခဲ့ကြရပါတယ်။ The monks were deeply inspired by his strong energy and dedication. ဆရာတော်ဥပညာကာရကသူ့ကိုအာလောကအလင်းလို့အမည်ပေးလိုက်ပါတယ်။ Venerable monk Pinyakara named him Aloka Light. ဆရာတော်ကဒီခွေးကလေးကိုဆင်းရဲဒုက္ခတွေကနေလွတ်မြောက်ပြီးနိဗ္ဗာန်ရောက်တဲ့အထိအသိဉာဏ်အလင်းရစေဖို့ရည်ရွယ်ပြီးပေးခဲ့တာပဲဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ He wished for the dog to find the light of wisdom and be liberated from suffering to attain Nibbana. ခီးစဉ်ဆုံးမှာတော့ဆရာတော်တွေဟာအာလောကအပေါ်မှာအလွန်မဲ့တန်ရောစင်တွေ့သွားခဲ့ပါတယ်